In Tai Chi, we have something called the 70% guideline. The idea is that you should exert yourself only up until 70% of your capacity. You should not exert 100%. Beyond the 70% level, your workout changes character. You lose your relaxation and it starts to cause stress and strain. And that is when you start working against yourself. That's when injuries are also more likely to happen. Keep it at a safe and sensible 70% level. Think of it this way. It's like you're on a bike tour. If you can ride, say, a maximum of 100 miles a day, and you ride all the way 100 miles, all you can do at the end is fall off the bicycle and you're done. And there you lie on the ground, cold and hungry and out in the elements. Oh, pretty rough. But what if you ride just 70 miles that day? You get off the bike, you enjoy the sunset, pitch a tent, make a campfire, cook dinner, and get a good night's sleep. Now, which of those sounds more enjoyable? Your goal is to increase your range of motion and your stamina bit by bit, so that in time, your 70% capacity will be much greater than what your 100% capacity is right now. Just stay relaxed and consistent, and above all, trust in the process.